Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to see all Google service search history and how you can delete them on your search history on your phone without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google search. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. Then go ahead and click on search history. Then here you go. You can see search services history, such as history from Google, history from map, history from shopping, history from flight, history from activities, history from Google Translate, and the Google News right here. How service search history works. So you can easily scroll down right here and see some of your history so far. So you can manually delete as many as possible you can, or better still, you can set up a auto delete. So if you want to manually delete, just go ahead and click on this cross right here, and this is going to be deleting now, and then one item deleted, just like so. So you can delete as many as possible in this regard. However, one item deleted. However, you can come to the top right here, go ahead and click on saving history right here. Then here you can decide to uncheck some of the history you don't want to be saved on your device. Scroll down right here and review as many as possible of your activities that has been saved on this particular account. Then you can go back right here, and then you can also choose deleting activity older than 3 months. Click on here, then you can decide to choose another date right here. So click on here, and then you can decide to choose activities older than 18 months or 36 months, as the case may be. Select on any of the months you want to delete completely, and then come down below right here and hit on next. And every activities in this particular category here is going to be deleted. Confirm your preference to auto delete activities older than 18 months right here. Go ahead and click on confirm, and all activity older than this 18 months will be completely wiped off from your Google search as history. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.